Yes, she fi be screaming, yes, not stop. You can't get that? Your hand fi lift her mood, not lift fight. Your heartbeat should raise only for the right reason. If it ain't love or excitement, keep your hand by your side. Romance is the foreplay, violence is the foreprison. And me know you now want bunk bed with Trevor in a cell block. If she happen to vanish every time you come home, that's not magic, that's survival. The only thing you can handle rough is the broom when you sweep the yard. Remember, love for sweet, safe, and full of laughter, violence. That a for coward. Some people, them full of bad mind. Head thick with it like soup. You can't smell it. Worst part, them vex over things where them never help bill. Them kind of people, they peep to keyhole for watch your life. Grudge pack up them pantry and bad mind drop on them heavy like wet clothes in a rain. They only clap when you drop. Them loves the problem, hates the progress, and the bad mind glue them to your business like label upon rum bottle. Bad mind crack joke sweet like sugar cane, but underneath it, bitter like Cersei tea we soak overnight. Them pick apart me things like his mango, but when them bite into them own, pure worm crawl out. Even some family who bad mind will pray for your success, but only if it's smaller than them own. Stay blessed, my people. Wagwan family, you know what we're cooking? Curry goat. And before you start asking her, don't ask where the goat come from. Better him than me. Right? So first thing, you season the meat nice. Scotch bonnet, thyme, pimento, leg on the table. That's when you know the food gonna make you weak in the knees too. You rub all that in like you're massaging life into it. Same way your ladies hold your man when him say you're buying food and paying the rent. Rotted, me I rent out the kitchen for this vlog and I'm a cocoa bread bun down the rascal place. Wouldn't I know better than Mr. Chin? Me think me lose them dirty foot boy them. Me had the kicking me rabbit speed to ass. Me take a wrong turn. Soon me have to get my visa to leave this rascal place. Them love curry goat too much. Yo, me vex till me arm warm. Me wake up early, sun barely come up. And the blasted cock wake me 4 o'clock sharp. Sun still the snore, but him the ball like him get Grammy. Vex till me start wonder, belly empty, mouth dry. Me sight a bush on the roadside, nice, fresh, leafy. Me say, finally little snack for cheer me up. 2 biting, rascal scotch bonnet. Pepper hot like it, find out me was chatting behind it back. Me start run up and down the road to breeze out the fire in my mouth. And guess who me run straight into? JCF roadblock. Police say, boss, license and registration. Me say, me is a goat. Me have iron, not under. Him say, where you come from with your eyes so red? Me try and let them think me an idiot, go bite the wrong bush. So me tell them, me just remember December soon come. Jamaica, your love mix up too much.